How to make your hair grow longer faster. You have short to medium length hair all your life and wondering how to make your hair grow longer and faster. If you nodded a yes, then your search stops here. There are no shortcuts to grow the length of your hair. It all depends on your general health and well-being and genes. However, there are external factors like proper diet, certain herbs and vitamins, and the hair care that can lead to luscious looking long locks. It needs the right amount of time and techniques for the hair to grow faster naturally. First, stimulate the blood flow in the scalp. One of the best ways to stimulate the hair growth is to enhance the blood flow in the scalp. This can be done with simple massaging during the shampooing phase. You can also embrace essential oils and massage them on your scalp daily or twice a week, depending on which oil you pick and which type of hair do you have. Second, pay attention to what you eat. In order to grow long and healthy tresses, you need to eat the right food so your body can support the growth. Vitamin D and niacin are essential for hair growth, but you also need minerals, proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids. On top of eating healthy, you can also use supplements to promote the hair growth. Third, use adequate hair care products. The best products are the professional level ones, which usually cater to specific problems such as hair loss or breakage. Ask your stylist about the best product for your hair and make sure you use both the shampoo and conditioner. Finish the shower with the cold rinse, which closes the hair cuticle, preventing it from breakage and damage. Fourth, hair care matters a lot. Apart from shampooing and conditioning, hair care routine includes brushing and styling. When you're looking to promote hair growth, never brush your hair wet and avoid as much as possible harsh styling products. Strengthening and other styles that requires high temperature promotes breakage, so you should avoid them as well. Your hair dryer is in this category as well, so replace it with a towel. Use a towel to blot away the water. Rubbing promotes frizz and breakage. Another useful hack is changing your pillowcase with a silk one. Regular fabric promotes hair breakage, while the silk leaves the hair unharmed. Fifth, avoid UV rays. A sunny day can take a toll on your hair, as UVB rays damages the hair, causing protein loss. This leads to hair damage, as the hair's protective layer is being destroyed. To prevent this, wear a hat on a sunny days and avoid exposing your hair in very hot days. 6. Colored hair is prone to breakage. If you're coloring or bleaching your hair, you need to pay more attention to conditioning. Colored hair is dry, so you have to make sure you are moisturizing your mane. Of course, avoiding coloring altogether is best if you want to allow your hair to grow. 7. Schedule regular trimmings. Cutting your hair doesn't enhance growth, but it does prevent breakage. Trimming also leaves your hair healthier, as it gets rid of the split ends. 8. Relax. When you are stressed, your hair growth rate becomes slower and you are prone to hair loss. To make sure your hair will continue to grow at this regular rate, relax. You can embrace a sport or a specific relaxing techniques like yoga. As long as it is effective, your hair will benefit from it. The more relaxed you are, the faster and healthier your hair will grow.
Thanks for watching.